Well, we're back at Unity Farms and Ranches today, finishing up the garden bed that we dug yesterday. We're finishing up the floating row cover as well. We have a few more hour or so worth of work left to do on this particular project. We're planting 120 different plants, 4 different varieties, but 120 in all. Kale, cabbage, mustard greens, and broccoli. You see, in one bed. We have 4 rows going back about 18 feet. And we were building 18. We gotta extend the row tunnel, or the row cover. We gotta extend it another 4 feet. Brother Jermaine right here preparing the bed for extra space of growing, because we had more plants to put in the ground right here. And what I've done, I dug a trench on one side of the row cover in order to cover with the plastic to hold it down, to keep it from blowing away with the wind, so the wind don't blow it away. And what I have to do, I have to come over here on this side and do the same. Look, if anybody told you guys this is easy work, it's not. It's hard work. This is super hard work. You gotta be, I'm talking about up for the cause, down for the cause. You gotta have a bigger purpose and reason for doing a project like this. Look, we have 6 acres. Next door is 20 acres, right next door, that we could potentially get. What you see right here is grass that grew up about 4 feet tall from my initial cutting when I had the whole property bush hogged back in July. We purchased this in July of 2021. And when we purchased it, it looked like that you see in the background behind the grass that you see right there. It looks like that stuff back there in the back. That stuff that looks like it's about 10 feet tall. Yeah, that's how this property, which I'm standing on, started. But that's supposed to be 20 acres over there. And I saw the for sale sign still up. It would be nice if we could have 20 additional acres with this 6 acres worth of growing space. With 6 acres of land, I'm developing a crop plan for 91 vegetable beds at 5 feet wide and 100 feet long. So that's what we're gonna have, 91 vegetable beds with 4 rows in it, 100 feet long and 5 feet wide. That's what we're planning for. This is gonna be a no-till farm, and we will be pursuing organic certifications as well. So we have access to much more land than what you see. If you're in Georgia, if you want to move to Georgia and you want to start your own homestead, let me know. Holler at your boy, because I got to connect on the land here in Georgia. My company, Acre Ag Group, could put you in contact with the right people for a small fee. And we get you started the same way we getting started. On each lot, you could put a house. Depending on how many acres you have, If you have 6 acres like we do, it's 1 house per 3 acres. You could build on your house, and you can put a manufactured home on it. So if you got 20 acres, you want to divide 20 by 3. And the answer to that is how many houses you'll be able to put on one property, which is about 6 houses on your 20-acre lot. So keep that in mind. And these payments is usually around $1,000 to $1,200,000 down. All you need is $1,000 to $1,200 down and around $300 a month on a 20-year term with 8% interest. That's what we have. That's a particular arrangement that we have on this piece of property that you see me standing on right now. So if you're interested, holler at me. And we also looking for additional partners to join our organization. And the requirement is $300 contribution fee up front plus $200 per month in order to join Unity Farms and Ranches in developing a 6-acre organically grown market farm. Until next time, peace.